Today we will discuss cholesterol biosynthesis and its breakdown. The major concept of today class we study to how the cholesterol is metabolized in the body and the specific objectives. Learn how cholesterol is synthesized in the body, note their starting materials required for the cholesterol biosynthesis, list of the tissue in which cholesterol biosynthesis occur, and learn in details the various steps in cholesterol biosynthesis, the enzymes and coenzymes are required, and what is the coenzyme, how it is formed, learn the effect of HMG-CoA, what is called committed steps, and what is the rate limiting step of biosynthesis pathway, and study how the cholesterol biosynthesis is regulated. We make it tabular form, increase cholesterol biosynthesis and decrease the synthesis of cholesterol, study the various drugs and study of metabolical fate of cholesterol in the body and what are the bile salt, learning how they are formed in the body and their functions, and study the role of cholesterol in atherosclerosis. The cholesterol metabolism. Cholesterol is the most important animal steroids. Brain, egg yolk is very rich source. The liver, kidney and red meat are rich source. Average diet supply about 0.5 to 1 gram per day. The maximum dietary intake should not excess 300 mg. Extremely importance of biological molecules being a precursor for the synthesis of steroids, hormones and bile acid and vitamin D3 calcitriol. The cholesterol ester are the form in which cholesterol is stored in the cell. The synthesis and utilization of cholesterol must be tightly regulated in order to prevent overaccumulation and abnormal deposition within the body. Such deposition eventually leading to atherosclerosis is the leading contributing factor of CVD. The most plasma cholesterol is an esterified form which is more hydrophobic than free cholesterol, and cholesterol ester are not found in membranes. Cholesterol ester are normally present in low levels in most cells. Cholesterol and cholesterol ester must be transported in associated with the proteins in lipoproteins or solubilizing by phospholipids and bile salts in the bile. The plasma lipid content, normal value of plasma lipid, total content of plasma lipid 400 to 600 mg per dl, the total cholesterol content 140 to 200 mg per dl, and HDL, high density lipoproteins, we also called good cholesterols, in males 30 to 60 mg per dl, in female 35 to 70 mg per dl, LDL, low density lipoproteins, bad cholesterol also called 80 to 130 mg per dl, TG triglyceride in males 50 to 150 mg per dl, in female 40 to 150 mg per dl, and phospholipid 150 to 200 mg per dl, and free fatty acids 10 to 20 mg per dl. The fate of cholesterol. Cholesterol is form steroid synthesis, formation of glucocorticoids, mineralocorticoids, formation of androgens, formation of estrogens, formation of progesterones, and cholesterol also forms vitamin D3, calcitriol, 7-dehydrocholesterol converting into vitamin D with the help of liver and kidney. Cholesterol also form chinocolic acid and chinodeoxycholic acid bisalts. The functions of the cholesterol. Functions of the cholesterol: formation of cell membrane, nerve conductions, bile acid and bile salt derived, steroid hormone synthesis, synthesis of vitamin D, esterification of fatty acids. The major site of the synthesis of cholesterol are liver, adrenal cortex, testes, ovaries and intestine. The overview of cholesterol synthesis. Acetyl coenzyme A with the help of thiolase converting into acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Now this acetoacetyl coenzyme A with the help of HMG-CoA synthase converting into HMG-CoA, beta hydroxy, beta methyl glutarate. Now this HMG-CoA converting into mevalonate with the help of HMG-CoA reductase. HMG-CoA reductase is the rate limiting enzymes of cholesterol biosynthesis. Then the mevalonate is the 6 carbon compounds converting into 5 pyrophosphomevalonate. Now the 5 pyrophosphomevalonate converting into isoprenoid unit. Now this isoprenoid unit is converting into 3,3-dimethyl L-pyrophosphate. 3,3-dimethyl L-pyrophosphate converting into geranyl pyrophosphate, then fermentyl pyrophosphate, then scullin. Ultimately we get a 30 carbon compound linosterols, and now the linosterol converting into cholesterol. Cholesterol 27 carbon compound. This is the superficially overview. Later we discuss. Next slide. We starting the acetyl coenzyme 3 carbon compound and form squalene 30 carbon compounds. HMG CoA synthase is the common to sterols and ketone body synthesis. ADAS HMG CoA reductase make mevalonate the key and the first intermediate of the sterol biosynthesis. This is a highly regulated step. Active isoprenoid is made with the make of combines in another C5 unit and to make C10 geranyl pyrophosphate and then C15 product. Then the geranyl pyrophosphate converting into pherencyl pyrophosphate is synthesized from the isoprenoids to isoprenoid dimer to form squalene A6 carbon 30 molecules. Squalene is crystallizing using O2 and many enzymes to give cholesterols. The whole process is very energy depending in terms of ATP and NADPH utilization. There. Now we discuss detail in how the cholesterol synthesis, and first step is synthesis of mevalonate. Mevalonate is a 6 carbon compounds form acetyl coenzyme A. Then isoprenoid unit, formation of isoprenoid unit from mevalonate. Then formation of squalene 30 carbon compounds. Then cyclization of squalene to linosterol, and finally conversion of linosterol to cholesterol. The first we discuss in detail the acetyl coenzyme A with the help of thiolase. Now the formation of acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Now the acetoacetyl coenzyme A converting into beta hydroxy beta methyl glutarate coenzyme HMG CoA with the help of HMG CoA synthase. Mevalonate is synthesized by HMG CoA synthase. Condensation of 2 acetyl coenzyme A, acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Additional of another acetyl from acetyl coenzyme A. Presence of HMG CoA synthesis, HMG CoA synthase. HMG CoA reductase produce mevalonate, which is the rate limiting step and key regulatory step of cholesterol biosynthesis. HMG CoA synthase, ketone body synthesis also first step same. HMG CoA reductase is the rate limiting step of cholesterol biosynthesis. The same step, acetyl coenzyme A converting into acetoacetyl coenzyme A. Now this acetoacetyl coenzyme A converting into beta hydroxy HMG CoA. Now the HMG CoA with the help of lyase converting into formation of ketone body. This step HMG CoA synthase is the same steps in ketone body synthesis and cholesterol synthesis. First step same, acetyl coenzyme A converting into acetoacetyl coenzyme A, acetoacetyl coenzyme A converting into HMG CoA. Now the HMG CoA converting into mevalonate. Then mevalonate converting into with the help of mevalonate kinase converting into mevalonate 5-phosphate. Now the mevalonate 5-phosphate converting into mevalonate 5-pyrophosphate with the help of phosphomevalonate kinase. Now mevalonate 5-pyrophosphate converting into mevalonate 3-phospho-5-pyrophosphate. Now the converting into active form of isoprenoid unit, isopentyl pyrophosphate. Now the isopentyl pyrophosphate with easily isomerized 3,3-dimethyl pyrophosphate and 3,3-dimethyl pyrophosphate, again condensation with isopentyl pyrophosphate and converting into geranyl pyrophosphate with the help of geranyl pyrophosphate synthase. Now the geranyl pyrophosphate again condensation with isopentyl pyrophosphate and formation pherencyl pyrophosphate. Now the pherencyl pyrophosphate 2 units attached and formation of squalene with the help of squalene synthetase. Then formation of linosterol, squalene converting into squalene 2,3 epoxide and finally converting into linosterol. Now the linosterols, the two possible way Now there are two possible way cholesterol synthesis: linosterol converting into zymosterols and cholesterol formation. Other secondary way, linosterol converting into 24-25 dihydrolinosterols and delta 7 cholesterol, then cholesterol. The overview again we view the mevalonate. Mevalonate is the 6 carbon compounds. Mevalonate converting into 5-pyrophosphomyelonic acid, then the 5-pyrophosphomyelonic acid converting into isoprenoid unit. Isoprenoid unit isomerize 3,3-dimethyl pyrophosphate. Now 3,3-dimethyl pyrophosphate converting into geranyl pyrophosphate, then geranyl pyrophosphate again with the help of IPP. Isopentyl pyrophosphate converting into ferencyl pyrophosphate, then ferencyl pyrophosphate converting to scoline converting into linosterols, and finally we get cholesterol is 27 carbon compound. The regulation of the cholesterol biosynthesis. Regulation of cholesterol synthesis is extremely near the being of the pathway at the HMG co-reductase step. The following steps and following mechanism are involved in the regulatory step. First, competitive inhibition, feedback mechanism, covalent modifications with the role of hormones, glucagon, insulin, and sterol mediated regulation of transcription. Regulation at transcription level, the regulatory enzymes of HMG co-reductase. Long-term regulation involve regulation of transcription of the gene for HMG co-reductase. When sufficient cholesterol is present in the cells, transcriptions of the genes for HMG co-reductase is suppressed and cellular synthesis of cholesterol is decreased. When sufficient amount in cholesterol in diet, when cholesterol diet is low, synthesis is increased. We can see these are the inhibitor: cholesterol, glucagon, corticosteroids. Cholesterol with the help of feedback mechanism, and these are the activator: insulin and thyroxine. Sterol regulatory elements binding proteins. A specific recognized sequence known as the sterol regulatory elements is present in DNA. SRE binding by sterols regulatory elements binding proteins is essential for the transcription of these genes. When cholesterol level are sufficient high, the SRE-BP remains as an inactive precursor. The short-term regulation by the covalent modification of the enzymes, cyclic AMP mediating cascade phosphorylated the enzymes which is inactive, dephosphorylated from is active. Further is the active of HMG co-reductase is also regulated by the rate of degradation of enzyme proteins. Yeah, we can see the protein kinase. Protein kinase activated through glucagon. Glucagon activates cyclic AMP. Cyclic AMP inhibit and protein kinase. The functions of the protein kinase: HMG co-reductase inactive form converting into HMG co-reductase in active form. Now the HMG co-reductase in active. Glucagon inhibit protein phosphatase and HMG co-reductase also in this in inactive forms, and cholesterol synthesis now occur. Opposite functions: insulin is the positive modifier of positive protein phosphatase, and the protein phosphatase converting into HMG co-reductase inactive to active forms, and the HMG co-reductase formation of cholesterol. Insulin and thyroxine increase the activity of HMG co-reductase. Cortisols and glucagon decrease its activities. Glucagon and glucocorticoids inhibit HMG co-reductase, cholesterol not synthesis. Opposite working: insulin, thyroxine increase HMG co-reductase activities and cholesterol synthesis occur. The formation of bisalt through cholesterol. Cholesterols converting into 7 alpha OH cholesterols and formation of primary bisalts of chinocolic acid and chinodeoxycholic acid. Functions of the bisalts. Bisalts function the lowering of the surface tensions. Because of their power of lowering surface tensions, they aid in the emulsification of fats and tend to stabilize such emulsification. The emulsification is the prerequisite for actions of pancreatic lipase of fats. Bile salts escalated the actions of pancreatic lipase. Micelles formation bisalts from the micelles with fatty acids mono and diacyl glycerol and also triglyceride, which are made water soluble and help absorptions of vitamin. They aid in the absorptions of fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K, and also carotenes of the forming complex more soluble in water. Hydrotropic actions. Intestinal motility. They stimulate intestinal motility. Cholerectic actions. They have great cholerectic actions. The liver is stimulated to secrete bile as long as bisalts are absorbed. Solubility of cholesterol. Bisalts keep cholesterol in solution. Cholesterol remains soluble in gallbladder, biles and bile salts. The cholesterol level associated with CAD. Good cholesterol levels below 200 mg per dl. Low risk of heart disease. Borderline is 200 to 240 mg per dl. Measuring blood cholesterol levels only not need to fasting. Cholesterol levels is not affected by single meals but affected by long term pattern of eating. Lipid profiles has to be done in fasting. Cholesterol level is elevated during pregnancy. Some drugs are known as to increase cholesterol levels: anabolic steroids, beta blockers, epinephrines, oral contraceptive. LDL, low density lipoproteins, also called bad cholesterol. The functions of the LDL: transport of cholesterol from liver to peripheral tissue. The goal value of LDL less than 70 mg per dl for those who have heart or blood vessels disease, and for other patients as very high risk of heart disease less than 100. For high risk of patients, some patients have multiple heart disease risk factors, diabetes mellitus, less than 130 mg per dl for individual who are at low risk of coronary artery disease if one has two more risk factors. LDL less than 160 mg per dl if you have 0 to 1 risk factor. Measuring of LDL levels: LDL is equal to total cholesterol minus HDL plus Tg upon 5. Tg upon 5 equal VLDL. High blood LDL will deposit cholesterol in the inner walls of the arteries that feed the heart and brains. It can be form plaque. They can be narrow of the arteries and make them less flexible. The condition is known as atherosclerosis. It is a clot form and block a narrow arteries. Heart attack and stroke can result. Blockage lumen left coronary arteries. High density lipoproteins HDL, we also called good cholesterols. High density lipoprotein, the functions of the HDL: transport of cholesterol from peripheral organ to blood to liver, get rid of it remove excess cholesterol from tissue. High level intake reduce risk of heart and blood vessels disease. The higher your HDL levels, you better. Goal value more than 40 mg per dl, good level of with 60 mg per dl or more. HDL, good cholesterols, carry cholesterol from peripheral organ and blood to liver to get rid of it. It remove excess cholesterol from tissue. Hyperlipidemia is the condition of abnormally elevated levels of any of all lipids and lipoproteins in the blood. It is a heterogeneous group of disorders. We can see the normal blood flow, increase LDL level, formation of plaque artery blockage. The renal disorder, liver disorder, Cushing syndromes, obesity, alcohol consumption, estrogen administration, drug associated changing in lipid metabolism. Hyperlipidemia, a major body flexible risk factor for atherosclerosis, cardiovascular disease including coronary artery disease. This is true both of disorder involving in hypertriglycemia. The therapeutic lifestyle changing. Regular aerobic exercise increase HDL cholesterols, low LDL cholesterols. Exercise also help relax blood vessels and lowering blood pressures. Eating soluble fibers like oats, pectins reduce LDL cholesterols. Some important factors which increase and decrease cholesterol level and synthesis. These are the some factors increase cholesterol level. If we taking dietary cholesterols more, cholesterol increase. Dietary fats, feeding of the more saturated fatty acid increase cholesterol. High carbohydrate diet increase the dietary source of fructose. Loss of biles, administration of plant steroids, lack of dietary fibers, pyridoxal deficiency, hormone insulin, thyroid hormones. These are the factors that increase cholesterols and decrease cholesterol feeding feedback inhibition, inhibit HMG co-reductase. Fasting starvation inhibit HMG co-reductase activities, increase HMG co-lyase activities and formation of ketone body level increase. Administration of analog mevalonate or squalene, administration of cholates. And these are the cyclic AMP. Increase cyclic AMP inhibits synthesis of converting HMG co-reductase to inactive forms and hormones glucagon and glucocorticoid decrease cholesterol synthesis.